the simplest way to generate leads from LinkedIn. All you have to do is just go to this PhantomBuster website, and in that dashboard section, search for Browse Phantoms. And in that, select this option, Connect with Profiles from a LinkedIn search. Hit this Use Now. And after that, all you have to do is just connect your LinkedIn profile here. And after that, you have to put your LinkedIn search results URL here. That means just go to LinkedIn and search for any specific niche you are targeting. So like I'm targeting for startups to build AI agents for them. So I will search here startups. Just copy this link, go to PhantomBuster again and paste that link here. After that, click save. And then they will ask us to write a personalized message for each person here. So for that, I will go to Claude, ask him to write the personalized message according to your niche, and copy that message, go here and paste it. After that, hit the save button. And then they will ask us to attach any files here, like any image or document you want to attach, you can add. And they will ask us to send the first follow-up message after how many days. Means after connecting with them, after how many days you have to send the first follow-up message. So I will select here 0 days. Means as soon as I connect with them, I will send the follow-up message to them. Click the save, and that's it. Your LinkedIn search to lead outreach is live now. All you have to do is just enable it, and that's it. It's live now. Just go to this LinkedIn leads section, and here you will get all the leads this website have gathered for you. Here are all the leads in that particular niche you can target.